Hello guys, welcome to Squad Ninja, and in this video we will see how to buy domain name and hosting for your blog. So let's see. There are two basic requirements, domain name and hosting, to start a blog. Domain name is the name of your website or blog. See, you guys may purchase a domain name like meetaguru.com or squadninja.net or domain with .in or .org. Usually .com is the top level domain, but if you don't get it, then you can go for the .net. And if you are targeting a particular country, then you can have a domain country specific domain extension like .in, or you are targeting UK, and then you can have it like .co.uk. So it depends on you, but if you want to target overall world, and then you should go for the .com domain, and if you don't get it, then you should go for the .net. So this is the domain name. Now domain name you can buy from GoDaddy or Namecheap or name.com. For that you simply go to the GoDaddy and select type your domain name here and search. If that domain name is not taken by anyone, then you can take that. Now how to select the domain name? Usually there are two types of domain name which are popular, like EMD, exact match domain, and PMD, partial match domain. See, if you are targeting a keyword pet foods and you have all your keyword in your domain name, that will be your exact match domain. And if you are targeting a keyword like SEO firm in India and you have the word SEO in your domain like seoindia.com, then it would be your partial match domain. So exact match domain and partial match domain may help in your SEO initially, but not in the long term. And Matt Cutts from the Google says that Google algo change will reduce low quality exact match domain in search results. They do not say it for high quality good websites, but they say it if you have a low quality exact match domain, then your ranking will be reduced. So if you are going to use exact match domain or partial match domain, your website should have good content. And usually people do not prefer, and lot of SEOs don't recommend EMDs, because see, if in the future you are going to make the backlinks on your EMD, then a lot of backlinks would be on your naked domain. So if you are targeting the keyword pet foods, then you will get all your backlinks on the same keyword pet foods. So it may affect your ranking, because you would be using over optimizing this particular keyword. So in today people recommend that you use a brandable key domain, and make it a brand. Whatever you choose, make that domain as a brand. So let's see. So how to select a brand name? Select a brand name, that depends on you. Like we have chosen the Squad Ninja, and just you have to check that whether the social media accounts like on Facebook and Twitter are available on for that or not. So you can use this website namechecker.com, and it will show the social media like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, Instagram. All these we have already taken. So this you can do after selecting a domain name. You can check that whether social media platforms are available for that domain or not. Next is the hosting. See, after selecting a domain, you have to select the hosting. Selection of hosting usually depend on the traffic of your website. There are basically three types of hosting, which is shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated servers. Shared hosting is cheapest kind of hosting, and if you are just starting your website, then you can start with the shared hosting. In shared hosting, multiple websites hosted on the same server, like an apartment in which there are a lot of houses in one building. So if you are just starting out, then you may choose a shared hosting. Next is VPS hosting. VPS hosting is virtual private server, which mimics a dedicated server with a shared hosting environment. Here you can take the example of townhome, in which there is a dedicated space for every user, like 1 GB RAM and 20 GB space for every user who is using the VPS hosting. In shared hosting, if the other website user traffic is increasing, then it may affect your website, but in VPS hosting it's not going to affect your website. So it's kind of dedicated server, private server. And next we move to the dedicated server, a physical server which is used by very big companies. So it's like a home, and it's very difficult to manage a home. And if you are just starting your website, then you don't and do not need to buy the dedicated server. Square Ninja recommends SiteGround hosting. So if you want to host a single website, then you can use SiteGround. And if you want to host a multiple websites, then you can use Bluehost or HostGator hosting as well. So the link of these hostings will be given in the description. So that's it. If you like this video, please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.